Hi everyone, I'm Shruti Medappa. I'm a clinical dietitian and a meditation coach. So let's understand today more about frozen vegetables. Are they good for our health or bad? Frozen vegetables are generally packaged foods and it undergoes processing. So it is not healthy. Isn't it right? Yes, this is the biggest myth. Let's understand the real facts. So the frozen vegetables, they are directly sourced from the farms, which is being harvested and it is being packed by using a blanching method. And it is being blast freezed to 0 degrees and below. During this process, the nutrients are retained and packed in the vegetables. So now let's know more about the fresh vegetables. What does a fresh vegetable exactly mean? A fresh vegetable is nothing when it is being derived directly from the farm to your plate or directly from the farm to the supermarkets. But currently, are we privileged to consume directly from the farm to the plate or from the farm to the supermarket? No, because the farming availabilities in each country has drastically dropped down. What exactly happens once you understand? Once importing is involved, the vegetables are getting exposed during the transit time, and the duration for the transportation may even take minimum from 2 days to 3 days. Then it reaches the warehouses. It's being kept in the warehouses before it hits the stores of the supermarket. And once we source out from the supermarkets, currently what we are running in a fast-paced life. So we stock the vegetables in our refrigerators and we use it even after 3 days, 4 days, or even a week time. So during this time, what exactly is happening? The enzymes are completely broken down. The frozen vegetables are also equally healthy for us because it is being blast freeze and all the nutrients are retained. So choose it wisely. Go for the seasonal and locally available vegetables, which is more healthy because lack of transportation, the duration which is being kept in the warehouses are limited. I hope you all have understood the difference of the frozen and the fresh vegetables. Thank you.